Boy, all these animals sure are being patient while they're waiting for the race, waiting patiently in their line. Did the horses at the Palio wait like this at the line?
Yeah, they waited.
No. Remember, we stood there forever while we waited for them to line up.
And then it was slow, and it was really, really hard. And then it's Taj, right there.
Oh, hi, Taj.
When he was a baby, then she get bigger, and like this dog. I think that is Taj. This one, that one might be Fred Doe. And that might be Cody.
Cody, okay. What about,
It's a friend of Bogey.
Oh, Bogey has a friend named Cody? That's nice. What about JD?
DD right there is Bogey.
Oh, okay.
And there's a big one. And here's another nice one. Here's the elephant. And here's a giraffe. The giraffe is going to all lining up for the race. Really what I was going to do, but it takes a long time to wait there. And this was the race too. And the tiger's gonna waste too. And the frog. And the penguin.
Who do you think the fastest animal is there that you have all lined up? Who's the fastest?
The dogs.
The dogs?
I think they're gonna win.
Okay.
And the other ones take a break.
So are they all lined up?
And there's a lot of other ones are not going to race.
There's other ones that aren't going to race? What other ones? Wow. Oh, these guys? The pteranodon, the brontosaurus, and the pufferfish?
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
And the bell rings. Ding dong, it's time to race.
Okay, hold on.